Creating a range of dates in Python. I want to create a list of dates, starting with today, and going back an arbitrary number of days, say, in my example 100 days. Is there a better way to do it than this?
Marginally better.
You can write a generator function that returns date object starting from today. This generator returns dates starting from today and going backwards one day at a time. Here is how to take the first 3 dates. The advantage of this approach over a loop or list comprehension is that you can go back as many times as you want. Edit. A more compact version using a generator expression instead of a function. Usage.
If using an external dependency is okay, check this URL and its rule module this URL.
Pandas is great for time series in general, and has direct support for date ranges. For example pd.date_range. It also has lots of options to make life easier. For example, if you only wanted weekdays, you would just swap in date_range. See date range documentation. In addition, it fully supports PYTZ time zones and can smoothly span spring/autumn DST shifts. Edit by op. If you need actual Python date times, as opposed to Pandas timestamps. This uses the end parameter to match the original question, but if you want descending dates.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.